Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to refresh your skin and lock in hydration, a facial mist can be the perfect solution. Whether you're battling dry skin, need a midday pick-me-up, or want a dewy glow, a good facial mist can make all the difference. Today, we're diving into the top 5 facial mists that will give you just the right amount of moisture and radiance. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 1, Evian Mineral Water Spray. The Evian Mineral Water Spray is a facial mist that delivers a quick burst of hydration with the pure, natural minerals found in Evian's famous mountain spring water. Known for its simplicity and effectiveness, this facial mist is a must-have for those seeking an easy way to replenish their skin. The fine mist hydrates instantly without any greasy residue, making it ideal for all skin types, especially dry or sensitive skin. Key features: Evian's mineral water spray boasts a unique nozzle that creates a superfine mist, ensuring an even distribution of water across the face. It contains pure, mineral-enriched water that helps to maintain the skin's natural moisture balance. Free from alcohol and preservatives, this mist is gentle and safe for even the most sensitive skin types. Benefits and usage: this mist is perfect for revitalizing your skin on the go. It can be used as a quick refresher in the middle of a long day, after a workout, or whenever your skin feels dry. Simply hold the can a few inches from your face and spray to instantly hydrate and cool down your skin. It's an excellent way to boost your skin's moisture levels, giving you a fresh and healthy look without any sticky or greasy feel. Usability: Evian's mineral water spray is extremely user-friendly. The compact, travel-sized can is easy to carry around in your bag, and the spray nozzle ensures a fine mist every time. Whether you're at the office, in the car, or at the gym, you can easily refresh your skin wherever you are. Durability: one of the key strengths of this facial mist is its long-lasting hydration. The fine mist provides a quick moisture boost, and while the effects are immediate, it won't leave your skin feeling wet or oversaturated. Over time, this facial spray helps maintain the skin's moisture balance, leaving your skin feeling soft and refreshed. In the second spot, we have Caudalie Beauty Elixir. Caudalie's Beauty Elixir is often described as liquid gold because of its powerful ability to refresh and tighten the skin. Infused with a combination of grape extracts, rosemary, and rose essential oil, this mist is both a facial toner and a mist in one. This luxurious product is perfect for those who want to enhance their complexion while enjoying the benefits of natural botanicals. Key features: the Caudalie Beauty Elixir is packed with natural ingredients like grape extract, which is rich in antioxidants and helps to hydrate the skin. It also contains rosemary, peppermint, and orange blossom to stimulate the skin and refresh the senses. The mist has a refreshing and pleasant herbal scent, making it a treat for both your skin and your mood. Benefits and usage: this mist works as a toner, a setting spray, and a rejuvenating facial refresher. It's perfect for reducing the appearance of pores, tightening the skin, and balancing out your complexion. To use, simply spray onto your face after cleansing, or whenever your skin needs a burst of hydration. The mist works well under or over makeup, ensuring your skin stays fresh and dewy throughout the day. Usability: Caudalie's Beauty Elixir is easy to use, with a convenient spray bottle that provides an even and light mist. It's portable, making it a great option for travel or as a midday refresher. You can even keep it in your desk drawer for quick skin rejuvenation during busy workdays. Durability: with regular use, the Caudalie Beauty Elixir helps to improve the overall texture and tone of your skin. Its refreshing properties last for several hours, and it is particularly great for setting makeup and keeping skin looking fresh throughout the day. Coming in at number 3 is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Tatcha's Luminous Dewy Skin Mist is a rich and hydrating facial mist designed to provide a radiant and dewy glow. Packed with a blend of Japanese camellia oil, rice bran, and nutrient-rich Okinawa algae, this mist deeply nourishes and replenishes dry skin, making it ideal for those with dull or dehydrated complexions. Key features: the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist uses a finely crafted combination of rice bran oil and camellia oil, which are known for their hydrating and protective properties. This mist is designed to hydrate and give skin an immediate glow without leaving it feeling greasy or heavy. It's free of parabens, sulfates, and phthalates, ensuring it's safe for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage. This mist provides intense hydration, leaving the skin with a luminous, glowing finish. It can be used as a toner, setting spray, or a quick refresher. To apply, spray it over your makeup for a radiant finish or use it as a hydrating treatment during the day. Its dewy effect is perfect for those with dry skin, but it can also work for normal to combination skin types. Usability. Tatcha's mist is easy to apply with its fine mist spray that distributes evenly over the skin. The compact size makes it perfect for keeping in your purse or bag for quick refreshment during the day. You can use it on bare skin or over makeup, making it versatile for different occasions. Durability. Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist provides lasting hydration throughout the day. Its dewy finish remains visible for hours, ensuring your skin retains a fresh, glowing appearance. It's especially helpful for those who experience midday dryness or want to add a natural glow to their complexion. Taking our fourth spot is Avene Thermal Spring Water. Avene Thermal Spring Water is a simple yet effective facial mist known for its calming and soothing properties. Sourced from the Avene Spring in France, this mist contains natural minerals that help to refresh and relieve sensitive skin. It is particularly beneficial for those dealing with irritated, stressed, or dehydrated skin. Key features. This facial mist is composed of naturally occurring thermal spring water that's rich in silicates and minerals. The soothing properties of the mist help to restore the skin's natural barrier, calm inflammation, and reduce redness. Free from fragrances and preservatives, it's a great choice for individuals with sensitive skin. Benefits and usage. Avene's thermal spring water helps to hydrate and soothe the skin, making it perfect for sensitive or irritated skin. It can be used to calm sunburn, irritation, or after skin procedures. Just spray it on your face and let it absorb for immediate relief and hydration. You can use it as a toner, a post-cleansing treatment, or a refreshment throughout the day. Usability. The Avene Thermal Spring Water is lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry for on-the-go use. It's designed to be used by all skin types, especially those with sensitive skin. The spray nozzle delivers a fine mist, ensuring an even application every time. Durability. This mist helps to keep the skin hydrated for a long period of time. It also has calming effects that last, helping to soothe irritated or sensitive skin. It's perfect for keeping in your skincare routine to reduce flare-ups and maintain a healthy, calm complexion. And finally, at number 5, we have Herbivore Rose Hibiscus Hydrating Mist. Herbivore's Rose Hibiscus Hydrating Mist is a refreshing facial mist that combines the benefits of rose water and hibiscus flower extract. This mist offers both hydration and nourishment for the skin, making it ideal for those looking to add radiance to their complexion. With its lightweight formula, it provides a refreshing burst of moisture while soothing your skin. Key features. The Rose Hibiscus Hydrating Mist contains natural ingredients like rose water, hibiscus extract, and aloe vera, which work together to hydrate, tone, and soothe the skin. Rose water is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, while hibiscus helps to promote a youthful appearance. The mist is free of parabens, sulfates, and phthalates, ensuring a clean and gentle product. Benefits and usage. This mist works wonders for hydrating dry or tired skin while also offering anti-aging benefits. It helps tone and balance the skin, leaving it smooth and refreshed. Simply spray it onto your face throughout the day to boost hydration and refresh your complexion, or use it after cleansing as a toner. Usability. Herbivore's mist is easy to use and features a fine mist spray that covers your face evenly. Its light, floral fragrance makes it a pleasant product to apply, and it's small enough to be carried around in your bag for a quick refresh whenever needed. Durability. This mist provides long-lasting hydration and a subtle dewy glow. The effects of hydration last for hours, and it helps to maintain a smooth, fresh complexion. Whether you're using it as part of your skincare routine or for an instant refresher, it keeps skin balanced and rejuvenated. That's it for today's review on the top 5 best facial mists. Each of these mists offers unique benefits, from providing intense hydration to calming irritated skin and adding a glowing finish. Finding the right facial mist for your skin type can make a significant difference in your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.